guys, it is a brand new day. In today's video we are going to be getting back into a much needed routine. I've spent a lot of time away from home at the moment. I've been in London and then I spent a fair bit of last month doing a little bit of traveling. I am craving my routine. In fact, I'm trying my best to find a new routine, navigate my everyday life, and I really wanted to bring you guys along with me as today is my ideal day of getting back into routine. Going to the gym, doing my healthy eating, editing, being productive, shooting content, you guys name it, that is what we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna just say it off the bat, I have been slacking for a hot minute now, but that is okay because sometimes life can be confusing and overwhelming and that is completely normal. However, I am going to be getting myself back into routine today. So this vlog is kind of me documenting that process, motivating myself, and hopefully you guys watching this to do the things that you may or may not have subconsciously been putting off. I really hope you all enjoy watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. You know today is going to be a good day if there's coffee. Bunch of new capsules. Let's do a Nespresso haul. I had these ones last month. I was obsessed with them. These are the Kiola ones. Kiola. An original favourite, Caramello. Love these ones, can never go wrong with them. I also got Chiaro. I think these ones are vanilla. And then they've come out with their summer collection, so I've got the pistachio vanilla flavour over ice, and it's supposed to be a really good iced coffee. Very excited to try these flavours. Oh, today's gonna be a good day. I've got good energy, guys. I'm so excited. I love coffee. Also, I had this come in the mail from Huel's. They have sent over a PR package, so let's open her up. I'm very excited. Ultra facial cream for 24-hour daily light wear. I've heard quite a bit about this cream, so I'm really excited to try it. And then they've also come up with a brand new Ultra Body Mega Moisture cream, suitable for sensitive skin. Thank you so much, Kiehl's. Can't believe I just said that. That is unreal. With summer approaching, I only felt that it was fitting to create a brand new vision board for the upcoming months. Things I'm manifesting for the summer, where I want to be, what kind of things I want to be doing, overall visualizing what I'd like my next few months to look like. I created a Pinterest board full of places I want to go, things I want to maintain, keep doing, and new goals and visions. I wanted to put them all in one place to motivate myself. Keep this as a lock screen on my phone, keep it as a wallpaper, print it out so I can see it every day and remind myself what I'm working towards. I got the gym done, I did my healthy eating today, and I did my vision board, which reminded me of all the things that I really want to work towards and align myself with. I know I look scary, okay? I know I do. This morning I'm meeting my friend Jess and we're gonna be going to go do a workout together. But yeah, we're just gonna meet up today. I'm super excited. I am running slightly late. I did snooze my alarm. These cows turned out pretty cute. Lush found us. I found a sticky bumble and bumblebee body scrub. Very excited.
They're gonna be so nice. The bumblebee smells.
I used to have it like a few years ago.
When I go back on it. Watch now, this is gonna unlock.
It's gonna unlock
Cool memories. It's gonna be like, I'm never going back now.
Never going back, no.
I got like a cute little sticky dates like body spray.
She's doing it. I really want to get one.
I'm doing it. I'm just pulling the trigger. It is a bit expensive, but I feel like every perfume is.
So long as well.
Yay!
So excited. Hey guys, I'm at the gym right now and we're about to do some abs.
Some standing abs.
But we did do the Stairmaster and the treadmill. She did 30 minutes.
It was like a baby setting. But
you still did 30 minutes.
We've been really pushing ourselves the past few days.
I know.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so tired. I woke up this morning so tired. I'm like, I can't do this today.
I get it. I literally said to you today, I'm not coming until like 10, girl.
10 work for me. 10 work for me. Let's do some abs. I don't really know what workout I'm gonna do. I'll find one for us.
Oh yeah.
Pinterest one's always nice as well.
Pinterest one, yes.
Those
Try to
very
find like a
nice.
cute Pinterest one.
This one? It's 15 minutes.
Do ins and outs and then Russian twists because they're easy.
Crunches.
Those are really good.
Later on. It's been a hot minute since I've done like some baking and I really am craving some banana bread, and I love making banana bread. When it's autumn, autumnal vibes are in the air. Banana bread and cinnamon rolls are my two favorite things to make. I feel like I've got my banana bread recipe down. I usually use the Hummingbird bakery cookbook and use the banana loaf recipe in here and then just kind of tweak it. It's one of my favorites. It's also so easy to do and make. You can do like loads of different substitutes, so it's not bad for you. We have these very ripe bananas, and if you know, then you know that these are the perfect bananas to make banana bread with because they're so sweet. Extra ripe, I'm not going to show because they look kind of gross. There's a perfect amount of sweetness for banana bread. I will give you guys an update once it's done.
I don't know that you'll always have my back. There's no job to
Cinnamon on top, it looks so good.
too tall of task. You just have to act.
Going in the lift. Say hey vlog.
Hey! Did an elevator for 12 hours.
We're going up to the spa.
Like this is, I think, it's a bit too. You know what?
Sorry. Big fan.
So,
Big mess, yeah.
you might not be able to shop this for a little bit.
It's okay, babe.
Has anybody jumped out at you? That's Japan's sister stores as well, so it gets really
I have been in the process of editing this video for the last 2 weeks, which is terrible considering this video is supposed to be me getting back into routine. However, I have been doing that even though it has been off camera. I was going to end this video, but I kind of wanted to add in talking and doing some self-reflecting and just overall catching up and talking with you guys. It is June 1st. We are officially halfway into 2025, which is crazy. I genuinely feel like January was yesterday, but also at the same time, years since January at the same time, so it's all just very, I don't know. As a person, I definitely feel as if I've done a lot of changing in the last 6 months and I've become more of a happier, better version of myself. I'm posting this video today. Super motivated at the moment to get back into the rhythm of YouTube. I know for the last few months I've been very absent, but that's just because I've been going, you know, through some personal changes. I haven't been recording everything that I'm doing, but just know that I am a lot happier. Process of becoming a better version of myself. I know I've always wanted to document that process, but also sometimes I do feel like I need to step away and do some things that are offline. Some habits that I've been doing, for example, which is more reading. And I used to read all the time. I loved reading so much when I was younger. I was always reading something. I've read 3-4 books in the last month, and that's got me off the screen, off my phone, off TikTok really, because you guys know how it goes. The scrolling is crazy. I've been very focused with the gym because I've been working really hard because I'm trying to get my summer body and I'm almost there, so I've been very locked in with the gym as well. All things self-development, self-growth. I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about that, and going forwards I want to be including a lot more of that vulnerability in my videos. But yeah, as I'm talking, I'm going to do my makeup. You guys can probably tell from the layout, I have moved around my room. I just wanted a little bit of a change, so I changed around my room and it was very needed. I actually really like this layout. Also on camera it looks really good as well, so I'm really obsessed with how it looks. This video has been really fun to film. It's definitely really motivated me to pick up my camera, keep doing my healthy habits, because sometimes you need something to hold yourself accountable, and for me this video has been exactly that, which is really refreshing, really nice. But yes, I've been in hibernation mode. I've been moving silently, as some people say, but I don't want to move in silence anymore. I want to record what I'm doing. I want to be on the same page with you guys, and that's just it. Like, I've just been going through some changes. I needed just to step away for a little bit. So that's kind of why I've been inconsistent. I know I uploaded a few travel videos over the last few months, but those trips I went on were back in April, beginning to mid-April, and then I edited those. But other than that, it really has just kind of been offline, doing TikTok and Instagram obviously along the side to keep up with what I do, because at the end of the day it does come down to content creation, and I love content creation. That's something I even in a rut I've never really been able to give up. Like, I'll always be posting something on some sort of platform because I just love to create. I don't think I'm myself without my creativity. May have been away, but I haven't been away. I'm really excited for June. I don't know what it is. I woke up this morning, June 1st, and was like, this is the month for YouTube. I'm going to get back on it. It's summer, which means all the summer content is going to be coming. I feel like we need to do some serious shopping soon and do a shopping vlog, a clothing haul, a summer bucket list video, whatever it is, like a summer morning routine video. Hear me out, okay? We are in our wellness era. I love this way of living and I want to make more content about it. An OG, if you've been here since the beginning, best friend Sarah, my childhood best friend Sarah, she came to the UK. She's been here for the past week. She literally left this morning. We were just talking, we were watching some of our old YouTube videos because she's in first ever YouTube video on this channel, and I was just doing, maybe it got me up my feels. It got me up my feels, guys. I was watching a lot of my old videos with her, and I think it's crazy how much of my life has been documented on YouTube. Go from like a baby to who I am now. Even if the videos aren't all public, my channel ultimately comes down to recording and capturing memories that may not be as fresh in the mind. Visually, I'll always have them. I have all of those to look back on, but I also want to be able to look back on this period of my life, like this period of transition, have it for myself and for you guys also to see. It's been a process, it's been a journey. Again though, I know I'm yapping, I don't know if what I'm saying is making much sense. I've got complete faith in editing Sienna, so she'll make the yap make sense. I've got a lot of videos planned for June. If you guys want to see anything in particular, you guys know what to do, just comment down below and I will have a little look. This is where I'm at right now. These are my thoughts. This is how my process has been going at the moment. You guys need to try these. I have the chocolate one. I got it in Barcelona, but when I was in London a few days ago with Sarah, we went to Selfridges and I got the Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. These are insane. Do not sleep on them. They're like the lip masks, just like a thinner, glossier consistency. I feel like everyone needs to try these. I have the vanilla lip seeping mask, but as of recently I've been using this one and the chocolate frosting one. Yeah, that's my favourite at the moment. Okay, considering I'm not going anywhere, my makeup looks illegal. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching this getting back into routine vlog. I hope it's motivated you guys to do the things that you may have unintentionally been putting off or avoiding. Just remember, it is your first time living too. If you don't do everything that you've been meaning to do, that is okay. Just start with one thing, focus on the task at hand, just take things one thing at a time. But yeah, happy June 1st, guys. I'm so excited for June and the summer and to be filming YouTube videos. I hope everything that I've yapped makes sense. If not, don't worry about it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.